Today I'm going to show you how to make some custom bird treats using Equinox 38 Medium food-safe silicone putty. For this project, I will be using a wooden bird model purchased online. I start by mixing my silicone putty. I am using Equinox 38 Medium food-safe silicone putty for this project. This is a versatile, easy-to-use material I like to travel with as it is good for fast mold impressions from almost any surface. I am also using this material because it is food safe. Even though we're not using it for human consumption, we can still keep our birdies safe. I fold the material into itself over and over until a uniform color and thorough mix is achieved. This material has a pot life of 4 minutes at room temperature, so we do want to work quickly. Once mixed, I flatten the material and lay it over my model. I begin to use light pressure, starting from the middle of the model and working my way out until I have forced the material in and around my shape. We are looking to create a mold wall thickness between 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch on all sides of the model. Once applied, I leave the silicone to cure for 30 minutes before demolding. After 30 minutes, we can carefully demold the silicone off of the model. Because this is a food mold, we are going to first clean the mold with soapy warm water and a soft sponge and rinse thoroughly before we cast into it. I found a bird seed mixture online that I mixed up and created. I make sure to spread it around and fill in all the areas of my mold. The recipe calls for refrigeration, so I will place my mold into the refrigerator and allow it to cool overnight. The next morning, I remove my mold from the refrigerator and can go ahead and demold my birdseed mix. Using the Equinox 38 Medium, I was able to quickly create a custom shape that can be used over and over to create my bird treats. If you have an idea for a video you would like to see, please leave a comment below and let us know what type of content you'd like to see us make. I use a metal wire to pierce and tie around my birdseed treat so I can hang it in my backyard. Here are some other shapes I made with the Equinox 38 Medium. This is a fun, easy, and inexpensive craft idea that can be given as a personalized gift or used by any bird enthusiast. I can now put these out for all the birds to enjoy this summer. If you enjoyed this project, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you can be notified of when our next video drops. Gotta fly! See you in the next video.